cousin. Okay. She's here. Why is she gonna lick my phone? Don't mind the beans, people. They are my enemies. Fun. Okay. And Ramirez. What you doing, ugly?
La.
Oh my god. That's fine for me.
Kayong dalawa. Papa dyan. Wala pa si Papa dyan.
Yeah. We're gonna go.
Teo, alas ko dyan. Lumayas. Bro, ba't ako nandito? Yun yung nalaro mo, baliw.